Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's recipe, we're showing you an avocado milkshake that you can drink on the keto diet. For this recipe, we decided to use an avocado, almond milk unsweetened, 30 calories, and stevia 0-calorie sweetener. So you're going to start off by cutting the avocado and peeling it as well. And putting it inside the blender. And depending on how creamy you want your milkshake to be, you can put more or less avocado. And then you can go ahead and add your almond milk. And your packet of stevia. And blend it thoroughly. That's it, you're pretty much done. Now if you aren't on the keto diet, you can obviously just use regular sugar and regular milk, but this is specifically made for people who are struggling with the keto diet and want something sweet so bad. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated on our latest content. Have a great day, everyone.